What's up, roadies? Justin Strout, your Rhode Island realtor here, with some great news. Spring has arrived in New England. Let's get into it. Ask a local and they'll tell you this winter has been a lie.
Aquidneck Island here is more like a snow globe. This is our news car right here. It doesn't look like it because it's covered.
It was a frozen, hostile wasteland.
After a record-breaking, snow-packed few months, Rhode Island has finally turned the page. Spring is here. Beaches are filling up again, joggers are back along the seawall, and with driveways clear and daylight stretching later into each evening, one thing is certain. Real estate season in New England has officially begun. See, every year around this time, the Ocean State's population nearly doubles in size around the Narragansett Bay and the Newport area as seasonal beachgoers come flooding in from across the U.S. to bask in our substantial glow. That's when Rhode Island transforms from its usual sleepy, small-town vibe to a vibrant, collegiate beach escape for the wealthy and beautiful. Our best restaurants reopen. Dell's lemonade stands pop up just where you need them. And the constant hum of jet skis fills the air. What does that mean for you right now if you're buying, selling, or investing? It means the race is officially on, and you don't want to fall behind. Stay tuned to this channel for Rhode Island Realty news that you can use if you're eyeing our sandy beaches. Be sure to reach out to Strout, that's me, at 401-41-ROADIE, that's 401-417-4639, or visit reachoutToStrout.com to check out my current listing. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.